What is overclocking and should you overclock? So guys, overclocking is the process of increasing your CPU's clock speed. Yan ang gigahertz ng CPU mo. Makita nyo sa Ryzen, sa Intel, meron yan 3 gigahertz, 2.7 or 4 gigahertz. So it makes your computer run faster than default settings. It's like pushing your car's engine to go faster, pero sa computer to. Positive naman sa overclocking is that ma-boost yung CPU performance, allowing for faster gaming and then video editing and rendering. So, I know pag rinig nyo ng, oh, I don't need to buy new CPU kasi pwede ko lang overclock. So, itong negative ang downside, importante ito. Downside is it will generate more heat which can damage your CPU if not managed properly. Ma-void ang warranty mo ng maging unstable, maraming crash, maraming blue screen na just by using your computer if you do it and worse, baka masira nyo, ma-break nyo ang motherboard or ang CPU nyo if you do this incorrectly. So next question is, should you overclock? Short answer, if you're not that experienced and you rely on your PC for critical tasks, like for example online class and then nagigame ka and then marami kang ginagawa sa computer mo on a daily basis na kung masira yan, hihinto talaga ang buhay mo, figuratively lang. So it's safer to stick lang sa mga default settings ng CPU mo kasi overclocking is not for everybody. Nang ma-shorten yan ang lifespan ng CPU mo at motherboard and then also your power supply. So if you want to overclock and kailangan mo talaga mag-overclock, I don't know the reason why. So, kailangan mo 80 plus rated high quality na power supply at malaki na heatsink kasi it's gonna be hot ng malaki na heatsink para sa CPU cooler, and then lots of patience and consider seeking guidance from online source. Maraming guide yan kasi and also ang CPU mo, ito pa, some CPUs are locked, so some CPUs are unlocked. Ibang Intel CPUs are unlocked. Yan man-notice nyo sa sa lahat na Ryzen and then unlock sila, pero depende naman sa motherboard kasi meron motherboard that allows overclocking. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.